Hello at welcome! Ako si Sniks McGee. Nandito ako sa bahay ng popsicles at luluto ako ng isang dish para baon bukas sa trabaho ko.
Alright, so excuse that intro, I know it sounded weird, but tonight I'll be making this blackened chicken with Remoulade. Shout out to Depop for sending me the screen capture of the step-by-step instructions on how to make this. It looks fairly simple enough. Just cook the chicken, cook the seasoning and vegetables. So let's hop onto it.
Ingredients all laid out. I got the corn, got the Cholula sauce, got the blackened seasoning, got the Remoulade. Ooh, almost dropped it. Oh, nope. And then got the fried onions, butter, some edamame. I thought this was gummy bears, but it looks like it's just all the red bell peppers and green and orange, yellow. And then also the main ingredient, the chicken. Let's go. All right, so the chicken is seasoned, and in the frying pan, it says to do 5 to 7 minutes on one side and 4 to 6 on the other. I'm not really sure about cooking chicken, not really a fan of it, but hopefully this comes out well and not pink in the middle. I wanted to heat up this other pan to cook all the veggies that are left over while the chicken is cooking. I've noticed that the igniter doesn't work on this front grill, I guess. So I'm just gonna manually light up myself. Oof. Chicken cooking, veggies cooking. It's 9:16 p.m. This is gonna be a lot of food for Baon, but it'll be worth it. Since those two are cooking right now, I'm just gonna make the Remoulade sauce with the Cholula sauce, so that the chicken could have flavor, I guess. Let's see, they said just spill this in the bowl. It's pretty thickum. Do you guys save these Tupperwares or jars? I've been throwing them away, but you could still get them if you want them. Just let me know. Alright, just use the last drop of it. Now to add the Cholula sauce. It says from O to oh my god. Oh my god, it's a lot.
Oh my god, yes I'm that.
I know. I'll stop. Not my territory to do that. Mix. Hopefully this is spicy. I don't want to add, I don't want to add any more hots to it. But if needed, it will be needed. And it sounds like the chicken is done cooking, but I'll let it sit for another minute because I don't trust the time they give, especially since they were thick cuts too. And here's the mixed sauce. Pretty good. Oh, they said after 5 minutes of this cooking to turn off the burner and throw in the butter. Oh shit, where'd it go? Alright, there it is. And I guess stir it up too as it melts in the hot pan. I'm sorry for the bad viewing angles. This is hard to do with one hand. Now I know what the YouTubers feel when they do this. Any type of work, working in cars, cooking. I know I should have a tripod, but I'm not a vlogger, so yeah. I ain't on your level yet, Kate. I ain't on your level yet. Maybe never. We'll see. So right now, the chicken is done, I hope. Just gotta do a little double check. Double check that the chicken is not pink in the middle. Oops, or anything. I guess it looks okay. Maybe a few more minutes won't hurt. Yeah, let's give it another 2 more minutes and see what happens. So 2 minutes is up. Let's see how it is. Ooh, hot. I don't know where to put this. Hot. No, let's put it on top of this. Alright, so it looks so much better now than what I saw earlier. Alright, I guess it's time to plate it now. And here's the results. It's a small portion because I'm still full from the first meal I had made. And excuse the background noise if you hear it. I'm watching Nerve right now. They're doing the dare on the motorcycle blindfolded. And let's go. Time to bone apple tea. Okay. Chicken is soft. I hope it's not dry because I added that little 2 minutes on top of it. Chicken with the sauce. You could probably still see the steaming. No, this vlog thing doesn't work like that. Oh, I guess not. But bone apple tea, guys. The sauce gives it the kick. The chicken's really good. The seasoning went well, burned in well with on the pan. Vegetables are yummy. I usually don't like vegetables. Not a good meal. Not a bad meal to have. I think y'all will like this one too. Portions are good. Chickens are thick. Just when you guys do order this, if you do order this, just cook the chicken a little bit longer than what it asks us for. I just added 2 more minutes, like I said earlier, but it worked well. Chicken's not dry. It's still moist, still juicy. Works well with the sauce. And yeah, thanks for Thanks for ordering these meals for me while you guys are away. Your house has been good to me. Has been a nice house. No danger, no stranger danger. Your security guards only ate one bowl of the food I put out. The one I put out earlier is still there. So hopefully by tomorrow morning it will be gone, but we'll see what goes on. Other than that, see you guys home. Cheers.